This video is for the track package. I'll show you what we include in that. So when we've had really good sets, we've just found it better, maybe easier to set a hodgepodging it out to sell all the rubber. Because typically, and this is a good example where this one here looks, the majority of it has been replaced or was good. So of course, here is an example. We can see where there's been some wear on the rear drive wheels, but they're all in good shape as far as being usable. A lot of our idlers were either good or they had been replaced. Same thing with our fronts. Obviously, what you see is the main tracks that were just replaced. They don't have any issues with them. So on each side, you would get the front two idlers. You would get 8 idler wheels and then 2 drive wheels along with the track. Now, we have not done a lot of recapping, retracking, whatever. But the way we're going to price these, we're going to price them as just an outright sale. But what I'm going to say is that based on the condition or rebuildability of yours, they may have some trade-in core value. Now that's, I don't know how to give you that value, but it would be something where we would want to send them to get, to make sure they can be rebuilt or recapped, whatever they do to them. Just because these have been hard to get. Just got off the phone with a guy, said he'd ordered some from Deere because they had special pricing and they can't get them. And then of course, if you want to do the same because you've got a lot of these tractors, then you can keep them and there's no core value. These are Firestone. Somewhere we've got the here we go. They are the severe duty or the scraper versions. And then of course anything else off the tractor. This tractor was bought with a bad engine. Turns out it just had a bad oil cooler. So we've got a good running engine, we've got a good transmission, we've got a we sell a hood package or a collision package, if you will. So that's the hood complete. We sell the cooling package complete. Undercarriage is going to be good. Does have the scraper remote setup. This was a fleet tractor. It's been maintained by the dealership that leased it. And everything is in good shape. It's got good oil. We had good oil samples on everything. We do have a scraper currently. We have a scraper drawbar and support.